Hi guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to make Redbubble stickers, digital plus traditional art. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now, as you know, in Redbubble, you will be able to start selling your own digital artwork or even traditional artworks by simply uploading it to your store. As you can see here, there's also other people doing this. For example, over here, you have your different designs over here, different artists that are using digital designs. As you can see here, Redbubble mostly offers digital artworks and creatively created artworks and start selling them on different types of products. So, we will be showing you how you will be able to create your own design as well, digitally and traditionally. Now, as you know, tradition is like drawing your artwork on a paper, and like that is the traditional way, or even painting, anything that you're doing in real life. And if it's digital, of course, it's going to be on a digital platform like a tablet or like any software that allows you to draw your art. You could also consider Canva as a digital platform wherein you could create a digital artwork. So you could combine these two by, for example, you have designed your output on a piece of paper. You could have designed a draft. You could use that traditional drawing as a draft for your digital artwork, and you could combine them by turning your traditional artwork drafts into a digital art. Or you could also take a picture of the drawing that you have created and scan it and then put it on your output. So for example, let's assume that I have created a traditional artwork and I have scanned it. Now I could simply go to Canva. We're going to be using Canva right now to demonstrate on how we could create our design. If you don't know, Canva is an amazing design platform that you will be able to use to create different outputs that is heavily focused on design. You could use it to create whiteboards, presentations, social media, videos, and more. So, let's say I have created a digital artwork. I took a picture of it. I scanned it and turned it into a vector. Now I can simply go to Canva over here. I'm going to create a design for a bit, custom size, and go with this one. And I'm simply going to upload it to Canva using the upload feature of Canva over here. So we're going to wait for it design. We're going to wait for it to load. And there will be an option over here on the left side. As you can see, upload over here. I can simply upload the specific vector of my traditional art into Canva, and now I could simply use the elements, the text to add more design to it. And that is how you will be able to create a design and a traditional mix-up output. And right now I don't have a traditional design, so we're going to be using the elements for now. We're simply going to use the concept. So first things first, think of a topic. That's the first thing you need to do when creating any type of design. Think of a topic or a theme. Let's say for me, I would like my topic to be a dog. So what you can do is simply go and type in dog on your search bar over here, and you will be able to see all the different graphics available for dog options over here. As you can see, there will be different types of graphic that you could use for your design. Actually, we're not going to go with a dog because it's too simple and it's going to be hard to show you what our thoughts are. So let's go with a space instead. So click on space, just like that. And let's fix our spellings, space, just like that. And now we have different graphics over here. You could also use photos if you would like, but for now we're going to go with graphics. So let's say I drew a spaceship. I could simply now have a spaceship over here. Let's search for a spaceship. By the way, let's search for a spaceship to demonstrate our idea. For example, this over here. Imagine this is a drawing, a traditional drawing that I have scanned and uploaded in Canva. And now we're simply going to fill up the entire canvas over here, the blank space, in with a design that could improve our traditional artwork over here. So first things first, let's add some stars. Actually, let's turn our background to black because space is black. And turn the background of this one to white. Just like that. The color of our design over here to white. There we go. Now we have our design. Simply going to adjust it just like that. And we're going to put it over there. Then we have our output over here. We have our stars. So we could enlarge this. Put it in the background just like that. Now we could add more elements. For example, we could add like space over here, then Milky Way galaxy in this side, stuff like that. You get the idea? You're simply going to use different types of elements and put them together to improve your artwork of your sticker. Now, for now, we're going to resize this. Actually, I would like to have a 1x1. So we're going to put 1920 as well and resize just like that. And there we go. We have our output over here. So now we could do more editing of our output. So let's go and reset this. Actually, I'm going to go with a minimalist design for today's video. So over here, we have our astronaut over here on our section over here. So I could use this, put it over here, and we can change our colors to a more darker color so we could match our colors over here with our spaceship. There we go. Actually, is this white? There we go. It's white. Now we have a match with our spaceship actually, and we could make our spaceship a bit smaller to indicate that it is far, and make our astronaut bigger, just like that. Then let's say we have some cable, say line or cable, just like that, and click on see all so we could see the different options that we have over here. You could have this one, put it over there. Is this just like that? Then turn it to white, and so that we could see our cable over here just like that. Then we could put it at the back of our astronaut over here just like that. Then we could simply click on position to the back just like that, and now we can see like a line that connects our spaceship with our astronaut over here. Now I'm simply going to select all the elements and move it to the center just like that. Now you can see the line and our astronaut and our spaceship over here. Now you could add more things. Let's add some stars. So let's go back to our space over here. Click on enter. Now we have stars over here. And we have our different stars. We could go with a very simple star output over here, just like that. And put it at the back, just like that. Then you could add more, depending on the output that you want, just like that. Or you could add a galaxy, putting this at the background, just like that. And let's add one more element that could improve our output over here. Maybe this one. Put it at the back, just like that. And animate position to the back, just like that. Now we have our very simple minimalist sticker design. Assuming that the spaceship is traditional and we use the different elements in Canva to combine it with a digital design. Now click on share, click on download, and download this right away. Now keep in mind, the requirements or the minimum requirement in Redbubble is you're going to have a design that is 1000 pixels as a minimum, because anything below that is too small and it will not really be presented properly in Redbubble. So after that, you're going to go and click on your profile over here on the right side, your account. Click on sell your art, and over here, right now I haven't set up my store, but we will be able to add our products over here. Simply click on add designs, and over here, as you can see, we can now click on upload new work over here, and you can see here also the minimum is 1000 pixel resolution. Click on upload, select the design that we have just created. Then you could add your title over here. Let's say minimalist space, just like that. Then you could add your tags and description. And as you can see also, not only can you use your design to create a sticker, you could use it also on other types of product over here. As you can see, we have our sticker and magnet. You could also use it for phone cases, pillows, and totes. You could enable them or disable them depending on how you want it to be. It's also prints, cards, and posters over here, curtains, mats, dog mats, mugs over here, tablet casing, and all of those stuff, acrylic book covers, and you can explore. There's also water bottles over here, and there's also pins over here. And after this, you can simply click on this section over here, digital art and drawing, to indicate that it is both traditional and digital art. And then you can simply click on agree, and click on no on the mature content, because we didn't really create any mature content. Then click on save work, and as you can see, we will now be able to add our work into our list of products. And there we go. Just like that. That is how you will be able to create and combine digital and traditional art to create stickers in Redbubble. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.